All right, we're getting there. We're getting there. All right, so this is why we're down here today, folks. Good morning. It's 30 degrees outside. It was 80 degrees the past week. The weekend comes. We go down to 30 in the morning. Okay, at least it's sunny out. This is a cool sink. I might keep this. It's got to come out, but because I don't want it here. But I got a girl coming to look at that other one I pulled out of the bedroom closet. She might be buying that. And what this is, I don't know if I've shown this. This is the old apartment that's down here, probably 30s, 40s, I don't know. But there's a bathroom around this corner, as well as this awesome wallpaper. Right, we got some compass, some ships. Probably whoever, I think it was a lot of Polish immigrants in this area, came over. This probably reminded them of the trip. All right, I think this marble's just those two. I'm guessing this is just probably nailed. Oh yeah, this will come right out. Of course, I didn't bring any tools down. Stick that right there for now. You know, my plan was when the weather got cold to start all this work down here. I still got stuff upstairs, but this is mainly because she's coming. I had this stuff on Facebook Marketplace for weeks, if not months. And you get the usual, is it for sale, blah, blah, blah. I'm really interested. Then you never hear from them. But I just kept it up, kept listing it. Dropped the price way down too. That always helps. Oh yeah, that's a nice piece of marble. Marble cleans up nice too. That's the beauty of that. Yeah, I'll go get my Sawzall to cut that. This is just sitting on here. Alright, I'll be back. Before we go any further here, I'm gonna get this secure. This is a 2-prong to 3-prong adapter. You're supposed to put this little metal clip in the screw, but somebody bent it over. And it's just not working for me right now. Let's see if we can, oh yeah, there we go. Let's get this light over there. Oh, perfect. I think I need a battery for this screwdriver. Ah! Whatever you do, don't clean this area, Mike, so you can stand there. Okay, thanks. There we go. Now this should stay. Not fall. Yeah, finally. Okay. This is the old school ones, you know, they're so heavy. It falls down. I got a newer one with the full shield, but it's upstairs. But this is good, but the straps are just stretched. But it'll do for now. Nice sandwich doing here. Trim down there. asbestos maybe? Probably. Be careful with that stuff, folks. Don't breathe it in. Let's see if we can get these caps off. Well, that was hard. Well, the issue I see opening this up is going to be, I got to cap it off for sewer gas, you know. But that's fine. It's got to come out. This has the drum trap still, so that should have water in it. But this is probably wood. Ugh, I hope that's rust in there. Gross! Great view, huh? Give you a good camera angle. Per usual. The other thing is a tank. It's got, of course, what used to be flatheads. I don't see a good way that I'm going to get those. I don't have any tool. Well, maybe in the shed I do have a short flathead. Get you over there. I need the light. See how that does. Yeah, I don't see getting these out with just a bit and pliers, but we'll see. Yeah, right. Now get the cobwebs. Ew, get out of here. It's my house now. No, this ain't gonna work. Gonna rip them out of the wall? Oh, probably. You can just grab them with are they nails? What are they? Whatever they are, they're rusty. I'll tell you that. Man, they're old flatheads. Perfect. All right, I just need to cut that pipe, and this is out of there. Come on, baby. Oh, that's the wrong battery. These old batteries can't even power a drill, but a super bright LED light. The new lithiums can do anything. A little bit of water from the pipe. Yeah, that pipe we've recently disconnected, so. All right. Let's see what this looks like. Is this going to balance on there? I guess it will. I should take it off separate, honestly. Come off separately. Just slipped in. This is all built. Don't break it. Here's your sewer pipe. guarantee way to break this. That's the way I'm doing it. Uh-oh. Let's rest that there for a second. That pipe does not look good. That's not why we'd want to use this pipe anyway. Look at that flange. It's pretty thin on this side. Is that going down straight? Yeah, it is, because look at all the shit that sits in this. Looks like it's uphill. That doesn't look like a good drain to me. So this is where it comes in from the house. Oh, maybe this runs under here. I was thinking I went here, then here. Hope not, because that's a kind of smaller pipe than that. So it probably V's off somewhere. Don't worry about it, Mike. Just cap it off. All right. And yeah, that just fell off of there. I was trying to loosen it, but that's how it joins. It looks like just a flange. Oh, it's got that. I've seen that. Yeah, you need a tool. All right, cool. American standard. I don't know. It's got to go outside either way. She doesn't buy it. I'm going to put it up for sale. People like these vintage things. Hopefully. All right. I should say, in my mind, people like these vintage things. I've had that up for sale for months. Like I said, nobody... It's New England. Doesn't people want these things? Is that what we do? Old houses? Store things? This one, I kind of like it. What do you think? I mean, it's not a deep wash bin, but I like that it's still old looking and can retain something old in this house. Everything upstairs has been updated, you know. But maybe, you know, put that over here as a utility sink next to the washer dryer. Make a nice little built-in for it. Bring it right outside. Bring this off, dust it off. Sucker's heavy. Plug. All right, let's get some hot water, see if that'll clean up.